Chinese tiger moms. They are like
不要用手擦，用勺子吃，你听见没有啊？教你怎么用勺子吃饭，怎么用勺子吃饭。连你都是我养的，我生的，我看看你手机还不行了。你必须考上重点大学，拿一个好文凭，找到一份好工作。
But my tiger mom, she's paying me 3,000 yuan a month on one condition: don't go to work. That's crazy, right? Let me show you what really happened. I'm 22, fresh out of college, job hunting. 3 months ago, I finally got a job offer. 6,000 yuan a month, my first real paycheck. I ran to tell my mom. She was making dumplings. I showed her. She took a glass. Silence. After a while, she said,
Don't take it.
I stared at her. What?
Stay home, prepare for the civil service exam. And give it 3,000.
Half the salary to do nothing. I thought she was insane. She pulled out a calculator.
Let's do the math. That job, the office file, you'll pay 2,000 for rent. And you can compute. Take out every day, another 2,000. Subway, utilities, supplies, 2,000 more. Your 6,000 go. You may even go into debt, and you'll be exhausted, dealing with toxic managers, office politics. But if you stay at home, I give it 3,000, no rent, no expenses. Just focus on the exam.
I looked at the numbers. She was right. And I realized she'd been planning this. On paper, staying home was the smart choice. So I stayed. But then, I walked into another trap. 2 months in, the test, I failed. While my mom was calling,
领导谈
I walked out of my room, hands shaking. I thought, she's going to lose it. My favorite dishes, all of them. I didn't look at her. Mom, I failed.
It's okay. Too many people take that exam. It's not your problem.
Then, almost like she was talking to herself,
As long as you are home, Mom is already very happy.
wait, this is the woman who didn't talk to me for 2 days because I got a 92 on a test. Now I fail. And she's fine. I stared at her. I suddenly saw her loneliness. She's buying my company. There was the trap. But there's a deeper one. 1 month later, I saw a job posting online, better than my old offer. I opened up my resume, started updating it. Name, education, skills. But suddenly, my mind drifted. Wake up at 7, squeeze into a subway, rent a tiny room, eat shitty takeout alone. And that's when I realized I'm staying not because I'm tired anymore. I'm staying because I forgot how to live. She didn't trap me. Comfort did. And maybe she doesn't even know. Some people say I'm being loved. Some people say I'm being controlled. I honestly can't figure out. Would you tell me the answer? Drop a comment below. Your answer might help someone else going through this. This is Label Talk. Subscribe for stories you won't see anywhere else.